Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Shake and Slow-Mo, and today we're going to do our lesson 2 of C++ programming. In this lesson, we are going to review declaration statements in C++, executable statements in C++, compound statements enclosed in the brackets, not in the parentheses, in the brackets, and empty statements in C++. We will also review how to write a single line comment and a multi-line comment in our C++ program. So if you already have not opened up a Replit tab, you can open up a new file and start your code, and you can follow along. So first things first, make sure you're putting this up. If you don't really need to, if you're gonna put using std or std semicolon cout, but having this up top here helps a lot. If you don't know what I'm talking about, rewatch the first video, lecture 1, and you can come back right back to this. Let's go to declaration statements. What exactly is declaration statement, right? So this is the program that we have, okay? Int main, when we declare something, we are basically assigning a value to it. So int in C++ represents integer, okay? So let's say we write int you can give a value, so int number, right? So int number is a declaration. Int number, this is underlined red underneath because we don't have semicolons. Now we can end with semicolons. So this is, we are not assigning number to a value, but we're telling our C++ code that number represents an integer. So we can assign number to an integer later, right? So on the second line, we can write number equals whatever number you want to put. Number equals, let's put 69. Why not? Let's say that's a valid number. Number equals 69. Now, what do you think will happen if we see out number? If we see out, so if we just see out number, semicolons, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to give us 69. So what you're basically doing right here, you're assigning, you're declaring the variable number to an integer, okay? And then on line 7, you're assigning number to 69. So 69 is assigned to your number. And on line 8, you are outputting, you're couting number, which is assigned to 69. I hope that makes sense here. So if we look at this presentation, let's just look at this part, forget about everything. This is our main function, okay? So inside of this main functions, inside of this brackets, over here, it says int number equals 5. So this is the declaration statement, okay? And then this cout number is the executable statement. So which statement, what line is our executable statement in the code that we wrote together? Can you guys tell me? If you said it was line 8, yes, you're correct. So this is the executable statement, and this is the declaration statement. Now, what we did is we assigned integer to number, right? We declared the variable integer to number on line 6. Instead of doing that, we can take out line 7, right? And we can assign it right here. So you can either put int number equals 69, right? That's a correct assignment. And then if we still, or 69.0, so give you guys a better example. Here we go. It should run 690, right? Or instead of this parentheses, what you can do is you can put this into brackets. Okay. should still run. There you go. So that's what declaration and executable statements are. Now, compound statements, right? What are compound statements? So guys, compound statement basically means anything that's inside this main function of the brackets that can be executed, right? So all compound statement means is everything that's inside of these brackets that will be executed. So if we add if we add another line of line 9, right? Saying cout, my name is Gabe. This is also considered inside of the compound statements, right? So this would also be within the compound statements. That's what basically a compound statement is. Okay, empty statement. And what exactly is the empty statement? Empty statement is exactly as it sounds. It's basically a damn semicolon. That's it. If you're still running your program, right, it's still gonna run. Why does people put this here? To maybe use this as a place. Yeah, to maybe use this as a placeholder, or if they want to come back to line 10 to add something. In order to write a single line comment, all you need to do is put // and as soon as you press it, or as soon as you type this, your it should be a different color depending on what compiler you're using, or where you're writing your script. But you can write anything you want to write here. So everything we write here, just putting random stuff, and if you run this code, the only thing that's gonna see out, it's the hello world. It should. It's taken a while, but yeah, here you go. It just says hello world. It's not outputting any of this, right? So if we take this out, this would also, of course, be wrong because we don't know what this is. So, and how about you want to write a multi-line comment, right? Let's take this out. So in order to write a multi-line comment, you have to start with star and then the slash, and then you can write your comments here, whatever you want to write. And then let's say you want to go to the second line and write your comments here, and then you're gonna write your comments here, okay? And then you're gonna end. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's /star, and then you end with star slash. There you go. So this now becomes a multi-line comment. I hope this is very clear. It's straightforward. And now we can move on from this. I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope you liked the video. Come back for lesson 3. See you guys later. Peace.